Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about sunscreens. Now, we keep on hearing that we must wear sunscreen. We keep on emphasizing the fact, but there are certain things we usually do not know, like what SPF is, what is the right amount of SPF we should wear, and things like that. In today's video, I will also be talking about my favorite sunscreen. So guys, without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, let me talk about the first one, and that is applying sunscreen every day. We must not skip sunscreen, guys, because it is a first line defense mechanism against dull spots, dark spots, tannings, and signs of aging. So it is a must to do every day, and that is to apply sunscreen. Now guys, the next one is never skip applying sunscreen around your eyes. Now the area around the eyes is really sensitive. The skin is really sensitive, so usually what we do is apply the sunscreen all of the face, but we skip the area around the eyes. Do not do that. Make sure whenever you are applying the sunscreen, you are also covering this area, because the skin around the eyes is really sensitive, and when it comes in contact with the UVA and UVB rays, it can cause irreversible damage to the skin, like having fine lines and wrinkles. So anytime I apply the sunscreen, guys, I make sure that on my fingertips I apply a bit extra and massage it all around my eyes. So guys, now let me talk about my favorite sunscreen. As I promised you in the beginning of the video, I'll be talking about it, and that has to be the Pink Foundry Matte Moisturizing Mineral Sunscreen, which is composed of SPF 30, and it is a broad spectrum sunscreen which helps in protecting your skin against harmful UVA and UVB rays. Now you must be wondering, what is the mineral sunscreen? Mineral sunscreen is something, guys, which forms a protective layer over your skin, and it reflects back UVA and UVB rays. Also, it starts to protect your skin as soon as you apply it, because there are certain sunscreen which takes 15 minutes after the application and then it starts to protect your skin. But I directly apply it, go out in the sun, and it is really gonna work on protecting your skin against harmful sun rays. Also guys, I like the fact that it's a very lightweight formula and it blends like magic in your skin. Also, it does not weigh my skin down, and it immediately helps in making my skin look fresh. It has a universal tint which is gonna be ideal for all Indian skin tone. Now this is gonna be a 3-in-1 product. So guys, this being a 3-in-1 product, it can be used as a sunscreen, a moisturizer, and also a primer. So even on the days when I want to go for a no makeup look, this product does the job for me. So please make sure that you check out the link which is given in the description box below. The next fact has to be, guys, you can even get tanned if you are applying the sunscreen. So we usually have this myth that whenever we are applying the sunscreen we cannot get tanned, guys, but that is not the case. So in order to protect your skin from tanning, what you can do is keep reapplying the sunscreen every 2 hours if you are in direct sun. Also try to cover your eyes using sunglasses, wear a hat so that you can cover your face. Also, I use scarf all the time and wear full sleeves in order to protect your skin, and that way you are not gonna get tanned. So guys, the last one is gonna be, try going for a water resistant sunscreen, guys, because when you are under the sun and sweating profusely, the sunscreen can get melt away and it is not gonna do the job anymore, which is not gonna protect your skin against harmful sun rays. So what you can do is try going for a water resistant sunscreen. Now this Pink Foundry sunscreen has water resistant technology, so it is gonna protect your skin even while you are sweating. So these were all the facts, guys, I wanted to talk about. I really hope that you find them unique and also helpful. Make sure that you check out the Pink Foundry sunscreen. The link is gonna be in the description box below, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.